Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you how I make this tea. It's a burn belly fat, and this tea is very powerful. It's gonna help you to get your body back in shape for summer. Yes, so without further ado, let's jump to it. So our first ingredient to come out with this tea is flaxseed. Flaxseed are rich in fiber. Like really, when you eat food that are high in fiber, you feel full for longer. So I'm gonna use a ground flaxseed. As you can see, you can like use the mixer to to mix the seed of flaxseed to come out with the ground flaxseed. So as you can see, so I did mix one, and this is the powder. It looks ground, and I need 1 cup of flaxseed ground, and it's really rich. Like it makes you full, and it's a very good source of omega 3 fatty acids, yeah, which are proven health benefits. So it's very good for your health in general. So our next ingredient is lime. Next ingredient is lime. Lime is a great source of antioxidants. It supports heart health. It helps promote skin health and fight side of aging. It supports digestive health. It boosts your immune health, support metabolism and weight loss. So it's very good. Like this juice, like this tea, like I said, I call it a quick weight loss tea. It really burns your belly fat and gets back your summer body in shape. Like it's really good. So lime really is gonna help you to it help your body to absorb iron, and also it may support your joint health. So overall, lime is really a good ingredient when it comes to drink your tea, when it comes to lose weight, when it comes to maintain your health in general. Lime, it's very good. As you can see, I'm cutting lime and get it ready, and I'll put it on the side so we can jump to our next ingredient. And guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead, subscribe to my channel and like this video, share the video with friends and family. It will help all of us. So our next ingredient is ground cinnamon. So cinnamon helps the body to become more sensitive to the hormones. So it helps to ensure that it's more effective, that the body can regulate its blood sugar level, and to overcome the effect of type 2 diabetes. For example, if people has diabetes, this is really good. But overall, cinnamon, it's very good for your health. So I'm gonna use only 1 teaspoon of cinnamon in this recipe. So yeah, as you can see, I get my cinnamon ready and I'm gonna put it aside. So we jump to our next ingredient. Our next ingredient is ginger. I cannot stress enough, ginger is very good. He help you to break down all the fats, the stubborn fat, all the food that we're eating that is stuck in our stomach. It's hard to digest. Ginger is gonna go and do his job. It's gonna break down all those uh fats that we don't need in our system, and it's gonna flush all of them out. So ginger, it's really good for your body. Like really, every time I make my tea, ginger is always right there. And as you can see, if you've been following me, every time I make my recipe, ginger is always there, because ginger really help you to break down all the stuff that you don't need in your system. As you can see now, I'm cutting my ginger in a small pieces, and yeah, you only need two um tablespoon for ginger. You don't need much. As you can see, I'm cutting it. I'll make sure that I cut it in the small pieces. So make sure you also do the same thing. You cut it in the small pieces, and you remove all the, you know, the peeling. Make sure you peel out all the peeling of ginger, and then you cut it in a small pieces, as you can see what I'm doing. So it's a great ingredient to add in your diet if you have not yet. I know ginger, it's very spicy, it's very strong ingredient. Some people are not fan of it, but the benefit of ginger, it's just, when it comes to health, it's just amazing. It does a lot in your body, in your system. It cleans off your system. It breaks down all the fats that you don't need in your system. So yeah, as you can see, now I cut it and I'm gonna put it aside, so we can go ahead and start our belly, our quick weight loss burn tea. This tea, it's so powerful, guys. It's very powerful. Just keep on watching and you can see what I'm doing. So now I have all my ingredients ready to go. So our next steps, just keep on watching, you can see what I'm doing on next. And please, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead, subscribe. I don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead, subscribe to my channel to help me. So now we're gonna go ahead and boil these all ingredients. So my first ingredient I'm putting in the pan is lime. I put it on the bottom, and our next ingredient I'm gonna go ahead, it's ginger. I put the ginger, and then I'm gonna add the ground flaxseed, and then after the ground flaxseed, I'm gonna go ahead and add my ground cinnamon. So yeah, and then I did put 4 cups of water in this amount of ingredient. So go ahead, make sure you put 4 cups of water, and then boil this for good 10 to 15 minutes. Now more than that, okay? You boil it for good 10 to 15 minutes until you see it's really boiling. Yeah, and then you will know that this it's ready. So now I'm gonna let it go boil for a good 15 minutes, and then it'll be ready for me to go to do my next steps. Please just keep on watching. This is very powerful. You will see the difference instantly. So now I'm gonna go ahead and rinse my tea, and it's ready to drink. This tea, guys, like I said, it's very powerful. Do not underestimate this tea. You will see the difference really right away. Your skin will be looking nice. And in this tea, you need a raw honey. That's my organic raw honey, because you need a little bit of energy, you know, because the stuff I put inside there can make you feel tired or weak. So it's good to take in the morning, first thing in the morning, and put something in it. I usually put honey to give me the energy that I need, because sugar give you a lot of give you energy. So once you add a little bit of honey, this tea tastes really good, and it's very healthy, guys. Like I always said, health is wealth. If you healthy, you can do anything, you can accomplish anything. Without the health, there's nothing you can do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please go and subscribe to my channel. Share this video with friends and family, so we all can stay healthy and maintain our healthy life. Yes, healthy is wealth. It's very important that you take care of your body now, so you don't have to worry in the longer. So thanks again, and I'll see you next time with my new video. Bye.